Hello friends, welcome to the weekly edition of Let's Talk Nifty. इस हफ्ते let's start our analysis with Bank Nifty because again a situation has come where Bank Nifty and Nifty are diverging. So let's understand them separately. So Bank Nifty, if you see it as it is moving up, it is struggling around the 48,000 area. A lot of selling is coming whenever it tries to breach that level. The good thing is it has not broken down, and the pullback from 47,000 was very strong. But then the very next day, although Nifty could recover most of the lost gains, but it could not. Bank Nifty could not. So even if you look at the weekly chart, you can see that for the last 2 weeks, Bank Nifty has done nothing, right, in the end. So the levels of Bank Nifty is very simple. It's got a slightly negative bias now based on the candles, and we might see the 47,000, 46,930 this level tested again, and from there maybe we'll move up, or we could break down and move to 46,000 and 45,500. So these are the levels for next week, and when Bank Nifty will become totally bullish is when we start to see it trading around 48,200. Let's say on a 15-minute chart, if it spends some time around 48,200 and then gives us a positive candle, that's when we can really go bullish on Bank Nifty. Otherwise, Bank Nifty will drift down to 46,930 and 46,000 probably, right? So that's about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is for me a negative bias. On the other hand, Nifty quite contrary. Nifty had a big fall, but then in the last 2 days it has recovered almost 75% of the fall. Now this is right now it's in a crucial position. So my expectation is that it will retest this low of 21,250 and then try to move up to 21,600 and then 21,800, which, as I said, is somewhere that I expect the next, let's say, pause to happen. So unlike Bank Nifty, Nifty doesn't have such a concentration around the 21,600 area. Bank Nifty, if you saw, was having a lot of candles touching 48,000. So it looked, but if we look here, Nifty has got very good support at 21,000 now, right? It was a previous pause area, and also the current pullback took support exactly there. So if anything comes to 21,000, it's a good area to value area, as if it's a value area. So for Nifty, I think we can maintain a bullish bias and be careful around 21,600 when it comes. And then around 21,650, if we get a consolidation and then a breakout with a positive candlestick, then we can trade for 21,813. Even if you look at the weekly candle, it tells the same story, right? So there is nothing negative that one can see in this candle setup. So going to be an interesting week. So whenever this Nifty versus Bank Nifty comes, it's always difficult for the day traders. So let's be a bit defensive in our place. Make sure that we trade only the right candlestick patterns, and with a lower quantity till we have a breakout or a breakdown, either ways, which will be confirmed by price action candles. So that's my outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week. Hope this was useful for you. If so, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and wish you all a great trading week next week. Bye bye.